¿Qué onda, vatos? Thanks again for tuning into yet another video. We are installing the Amazon crash bar. So this is my second attempt now. Of course, you guys seen the other video. The forks on the roadster, they're a little bit thicker. I don't think the rake is different. I don't know. I'll have to look into it, but the forks, yeah, they're thicker. So it was banging up against my other engine guard, the Cobra one, the V-bar. So we're gonna try this Amazon one, and hopefully this little bend will help, you know, clear that. If you guys seen the other video, I was losing about maybe a 1/4 inch. So we went ahead and already removed this. I already fast forwarded, of course, you know, cut down a little bit on time. So this is where your horn bracket goes, right there. If you guys are wondering what is that, it's right there. Okay, there's the horn, you can see. All right, so that goes right up there. All right, so you remove your horn bracket and you actually mount the engine guard first, and then you put the this underneath. All right, so if you do it the other way around, if you put this and put the engine guard, you'll have to do it again. Why? Because these bolts won't line up. So you're looking at about, what is that, maybe 1/8 of an inch. You move that down 1/8 of an inch. The mounting area for your engine guard is not gonna fit. So I still have to take this off, and we'll just fast forward through this, and that's, you know, pretty much an easy installation. There's nothing, you know, more complicated than that. Of course, use thread lock and hand thread these bolts. So you do not want to cross thread anything. So we're just gonna take it easy here. All right. Alright, so that's pretty much the install. Guys, this is easy. It's an easy installation. I mean, it's not super clean. You know, the welds, I don't know, they look a little funny on this. But, you know, the tubing feels pretty solid. You got some nice bends. I mean, it doesn't look too bad. As you can see, yeah, she turned out pretty good. And I'm pretty sure there's some clearance. There it is right there. That's what I was having an issue with on the other one. So there's clearance now. This is gonna work. And you know what? It looks pretty good. I like how the bend is actually behind the fork. You don't really see it, so it looks more of a chopped engine guard. But I think I would have liked to see this a little bit more bent, more of that V style. So it's not that bad. I don't know. You guys just go ahead and leave your comments down below. I'm still putting that chin spoiler in there, and then I'm gonna have to take it off so I can paint it. So thanks again for tuning in. Thank you for hitting the like button. I still gotta, you know, put this back up there right here. So you guys just stay out there, stay safe, don't believe everything you read. Life's a risk. Get out there and ride. Later.